This is how I, g'day people, I've forgotten to say g'day. G'day mate, it's Chriso. How you doing? This is how I get rid of a toilet. Like, that's the best sucker. Put on these bloody gloves. That's the best sucker. That's the toilet remover right there. You go whoosh go. And out it comes. You tilt it forward a little bit so it doesn't, so you don't drop water. Gloves are always a good idea. And you take it out to the rubbish pile, just like that. Then the rest is easy. I should have got the water out first. Anyway, no biggie. I'll have to get the water out though. I should have flushed it before. You get that? Oops! Now I've got the cistern full of water and I need to take it off the wall. I might even be able to see how everything rusts. Far out, eh? You know? I might be able to gently take it off and pour the water down the pipe there. I'll see how I go. I'll go and get a screwdriver. I don't know, it might just be a... Ooh, don't know. Let's see. Where's my hammer? I'll go for lunch in a minute. There we go. That's it. Oh, nice one. All good. That's good. Okay, well, I'll block up that pipe. That tap's off. Good one. Yeah, all good. A little bit of water, but the bed will soak it up. This is Chriso. Subscribe to my channel. You'll see heaps more yet. Yo, with this, you sort of, you know, I didn't know what I was going to expect, and it all worked out well. See you soon. Well, yeah, g'day mate. This is Chriso. What I'm doing now is working out my fall. Tomorrow when I come, I gotta go away and I'll pick up some timber and that sort of thing. I want to do this niche. I want to do this cutout for this cabinet above the vanity. So then I'm all prepared for Reese, my plumber, that comes on Wednesday, so that's cool. Now I don't know if you can see this, hopefully. Right, see that? That's spot on level. I've built it up that much so it is actually the height of those tiles. That's going to be my screed height. All that's solid, so I don't need to take it up. This was drummy airs, so up it came. But in Reno, you don't take out what you don't need to, which is a point to remember, people. You don't go jackhammering away and unnecessarily. If it's full on solid, it's stuck well, leave it if you're able to go over it, which I am. So that's good. Right, just putting the camera back on my head. Now, I've shown you that bubble, it's dead level, so that is my fall to my strip drain. So come across, I'll measure it. Okay, it's 15mm fall. I'm going to be bringing my shower out to here, or a little bit in, because I'll have to allow for some aluminium. Or if I come to here, I'll come in a bit. And then there's, yeah, I don't want the aluminium to be sitting right on that nut. So I'll come in 20mm. So that'll be my shower, 20mm in from the frame there. That's the width of the shower, which is a nice width of 1.20 m wide, which is brilliant. So 1.20 m by 1400. That's a beautiful, nice big shower. Right, so I've got 15mm fall, which is lovely. I'll be sitting that on the floor. This one is only 20mm high, so that's pretty good. So I'll be getting Reese the plumber. There's my hole there. You always put a sponge down your waist, people, DIYers. It's a biggie to remember. Put a sponge down your waist, bog it up. See that one? Because you get stuff down there, you're in trouble big time, because it's bloody hard to get out. Right, so that's the height of my strip drain. So the height of my niche will be that there is the top of my tile. So I want to be 1200 up, because I'm running 6x3 on the diagonal, not vertical. Everything these days is diagonal. That's the in thing, diagonal. Never up. Right, so people, right, so 3 4s are 12. That's four tiles. I need to come down a little bit. for the, you see, that's not bad. If I came down to there, that's dropping it down 20 mil. What I'm going to be doing this time is not running my niche at the height of a tile. I reckon it's not high enough. In Australia, people buy the shampoos that are in the bigger bottle, and 300 just doesn't, by the time you have your tile inside going around your niche, it makes it about 280, and it's not high enough. So I like to make it 350 off my 1200 mark. So I'm actually going to be 360, but then I come up, so I'm 350. If you understand that, if you dig what I mean, I'm talking in riddles at the moment. It's going to be about 350 high. That's my 1200 mark coming off my strip drain. You need to come down a little bit to give yourself a bit of wiggle room. If I need to, I will fill that and then waterproof it. Then I'm able to put a bit of slope on it like that. So I'll do it in mud or glue, and then I can put some slope on it. We're laughing. So about 350, 360. Just that 50 or 60 mil makes a huge difference. I've got to centralise this now because I want 100 mil pipe reducing to that, what's that, 70? I want 100 mil reducing to 70. And I would like it sitting about like that. And that is, say 80 off the wall. Make it 80 because I've got a tile and everything to go on there yet, so and my sheet, so 5 mil for my cement sheet, 10 mil for my glue, 10 mil for my tile and a bit of glue, so 15, 17, say 20. So it's going to end up about 60, so come out even a little bit more. Come out 100, Chriso. Oh, beauty boy. Mark it quick. Because I'm going to be coming out about 20 mil yet with my cement sheet and tile. What does that measure across there? So I can centre it. It is, yeah, 95, 1395. So call it 14, 700, which is there. That centre there. That is where my strip drain is going. That's the centre. Reese is to go like that. 100 mil. 100 mm. He will see that. We've worked out that height, I've shown you that. This one with the cabinet, I'll be cutting through that brace a little. It's not going to make the house fall down, don't worry about that. The owner is, she's a bit of a shorty, and she has asked for the mirror cabinet to be, what? She's working in centimetres, 115 centimetres, so that's 1150 millimetres. So I'll have my set height at about that'll be roughly my tile height there. So off the ground 1150, which is there. That's roughly the same height as the niche, so that's cool. And then she's able to, because I'm a taller person and you tend to put things higher, she's asked for it to be that height. So that'll work out well. I'll make sure it is. I'll probably be making that stud because she wants to put a cabinet up here, and I need to put some extra timber in there, which I will. So that stud is ideal to put the cabinet against that. It's about 1200 wide there, so that gives her, there's 1200 there, that gives her enough room for a bit of a cabinet. So you put towels and goodness knows what. I suggested put the towel racks here in the shower because there's nowhere out there for it, so be a little bit careful, don't fling your arms around, but you know that you don't have to do that. That's the ideal place, so you can dry yourself off, turn the shower off, grab your towel, walk out, dry off, you're home and hose. This is Chriso. Stay tuned to my channel, you'll learn heaps. Subscribe, give us a thumbs up. We'll see you soon.